tuli babitongole ebyenjawubadde mbaga omwana ono yasoma ennaku mmeka 2 zimasala nkubese munangamba ssebo kubanga omwana tujja mukola ki buli kaseera abadduka nabera mukira okugendayo nga lyakakaze kamu n'ekituuzo ate nga tekuliko ebyo byokka school fees totenkanga nti abaana bangi nebasobodde kola ki yandikwa esimukyala namba twagala kumaliriza tudde ku kirala
abakyala bebasinga okubeera n'abaana abazadde abakyala bateekwa okubeera
I think AU, my recommendation to AU would be to continuously consider inclusiveness, and I would also recommend AU to put more focus on informal education, like vocationally institutions, schools for the disabled, in order for everyone to be on board once it comes to development. We all have to be educated and trained.
And I think and believe that this is a very good intervention that AU has brought to African countries, especially Uganda, because we have a high rate of dropouts that are beginning from P7, let's say primary level, to senior 4 to senior 6. This is because the parents reach a point when they cannot support the children anymore or further at the tertiary levels. So I would love to see scholarships that can elevate children and support them throughout the education system up to when they attain careers. For example, if someone wants to become a doctor, we should not just support them up to Form 4 level to branch into something they didn't want to become, let's say nursing, and at the certificate level. It makes development stagnant or their growth in the education system. Because even those that attain certificates sometimes remain there because they cannot continue up to the degrees they wanted to obtain. Yet we would have a formal system with more educated people, with more knowledge and understanding to support our communities if they attained up to where they wanted to reach.
I urge that AU should, the way should improve on the education system in Africa is by paying teachers very well. You know, if a person lacks money, that person will not teach us all what we need. So our teachers need support, especially in terms of finance. They should always concentrate on these fundraising schools, these schools which are just growing up. And they should be putting schools in these areas which basically need this education, because you find that these other people in up countries, many people in ghettos, they have not got good education due to lack of enough schools there and facilities.
As youth, in most cases, we are left behind. People decide for us, the elderly decide for us. Yet, as we, the youth, we say there is nothing for us without us. So this time around, engaging us here at the community level, it has been great. We've also given our recommendations, and we pray that our recommendations are also applied as youths. We matter, education is for us. We are the tomorrow. If you don't take our ideas or our thoughts, then you are leaving us, the next generation, or the generations that is already here. We the rulers, you are leaving us behind. But if you take on and you keep on engaging us like this one here, as GIMAC has done today, engaging us on the African Union theme, this is a great opportunity for us. We are getting to learn. Most of us were not even aware of that theme. But when the question popped up, we had to look around to get the theme.